Here in this lecture video we are discussing about Wurtz reaction and Korehouse synthesis. This is Wurtz synthesis or Wurtz reaction, and here Korehouse synthesis or Korehouse reaction. And what is Wurtz reaction? When we react alkyl halide CH3Br, this is methyl bromide, and when we react alkyl halide or when we heat alkyl halide with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, two molecule of alkyl halide are involved in chemical reaction. And what happen in this chemical reaction? One sodium metal combined with one halogen. Here two sodium atom are involved, and another sodium atom combined with halogen. Then when sodium combined with Br give NaBr, another sodium combined with Br to give NaBr, byproduct 2 NaBr molecule, and these two alkyl group combined to give alkane. And again, when you observe in this molecule, here ethyl bromide, and when this ethyl bromide heated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, here also two sodium atom, one sodium and one bromine, NaBr, another sodium, another Br, give NaBr, 2 NaBr byproduct, and these two alkyl group combine to give alkane. But what happen in this Wurtz reaction? This octane alkane contain even number of carbon, not odd number of carbon. Here 2 carbon even number, here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon even number, and always even number carbon containing alkane are obtained. And here symmetrical alkane are obtained, and we can divide this alkane into two equal half, CH3 CH2, here CH3 CH2, which is called symmetrical, and here this alkane is also divided into two equal parts, CH3 one part, CH3 one part, and this is symmetrical alkane. And always this Wurtz reaction give symmetrical alkane. But by Korehouse synthesis we can synthesize alkane containing even as well as odd number of carbon, and symmetrical as well as unsymmetrical alkane are produced by this Korehouse synthesis, and it is the best method to synthesize required alkane than that of this Wurtz reaction. And in Wurtz reaction only one type of alkyl halide is involved. If we can use mixture of this alkyl halide, it give mixture of alkane, and it is very difficult to separate mixture of alkane. Now come to Korehouse synthesis. And what is the Korehouse synthesis? In Korehouse synthesis, at first alkyl halide is react with lithium metal in presence of ether, and here this halogen combined with one lithium to give LiBr, lithium bromide, and this alkyl group combined with lithium to give alkyl lithium, here ethyl alkyl group, this is ethyl lithium. And again when we react this alkyl lithium with CuBr, copper CuBr, what happen here? Two molecule, here alkyl halide lithium, and one alkyl halide react with two lithium, one lithium combined with halogen give lithium bromide, and one alkyl group react with one lithium to give alkyl lithium. And to react with CuBr, two molecule, here two molecule of alkyl lithium are required. And here what happen? From two molecule, one lithium combined with this bromine to give again lithium bromide, and here how many alkyl group? 2, and remaining one lithium, one copper, and this alkyl group form bond with copper. Here two alkyl group, therefore two alkyl group form bond with copper, and here in two molecule, two lithium, one lithium combined with bromine, and another lithium interact with copper, and here lithium, how many alkyl group? 2 lithium dialkyl copper is obtained. And when we react this lithium dialkyl copper with haloalkane, what happen in this chemical reaction? Here this lithium dialkyl copper react with alkyl halide, and here one alkyl group from this lithium dialkyl copper and one alkyl group from haloalkane combined to give alkane, and here contain 2 carbon, and here this alkyl group contain only 1 carbon, and 2 plus 1 3 carbon containing alkane is alkane obtained, and this alkane contain odd number of carbon, not even number of carbon, and that this alkane does not divide into equal half part. When you divide from here methyl and ethyl, when you divide from here methyl and ethyl, and this alkane does not divide into equal half parts, therefore this is unsymmetrical alkane or containing odd number of carbon. And what is Corey-House synthesis? When lithium dialkyl copper react with alkyl halide give alkane. But in this chemical reaction, and what are byproduct? Here one alkyl group with this alkyl group combined to give alkane, lithium combined with bromine to give LiBr, and which one remaining part? Here alkyl, one alkyl group and copper, alkyl copper byproduct, and here this is major product. Here unsymmetrical alkane is synthesized, but we can also prepare symmetrical. And now see here, when we take here ethyl bromide, then this CS3 CS2 group, this group from this lithium dialkyl copper, and ethyl group from this haloalkane, then here give CH2, means alkane having even number of carbon atom, and this symmetrical. And both Wurtz and Corey-House synthesis, these two reactions are used to prepare alkane from haloalkane. Here also alkane is prepared from haloalkane, here also alkane is prepared from haloalkane, but this Wurtz reaction is used to prepare all symmetrical alkane having even number of carbon atom, and this Corey-House synthesis is especially used to prepare, suppose when you take here CH3Br, then it give unsymmetrical, and this Corey-House synthesis is used to prepare symmetrical as well as unsymmetrical alkane, or alkane having even number of carbon as well as odd number of carbon.